This is a 49 Chrysler motor, come out of a 10.5 Dodge truck. It's 30 over, 251. On this particular setup, I got the electric choke, don't have it hooked up. The front pulleys are homemade. I got an extra pulley welded on here for a running air conditioner bracket. I got a dollar tachometer, works like a charm. I bought it somewhere. Got a vacuum gauge, amp meter, water gauge, oil pressure gauge. Got a Speedway add-on oil filler. I had to make the brackets for all that. Got a Plymouth starter on it. Oh, by the way, the heads from 40 Chrysler, it had a smaller bore, so on this motor it's more compression. I got a 51 Dodge 40 amp generator on it. And of course I'm still running 6-bolt. It runs like a top. And the radiator, it's Mopar, but I'd say 47, 48 Plymouth or Chrysler, somewhere along in there. And otherwise, I rebuilt the whole thing. I tore it all apart, washed it here on the driveway with a spray washer, and then I rebuilt, cleaned all the oil passages and water passages, and started from scratch, put all new bearings, rod bearings, cam bearings, main bearings. Let's see, and of course all new gaskets. And I do have the dual intake, comes off a Dodge truck, but one of them cracked and I'm getting them welded. But the dual intake and dual exhaust, this thing really sounds top of the line.
Want to fire it up?
Yep, we'll fire it up here. Probably won't even start.